Today we've got a 2009 Volkswagen Beetle fitted with a 1.4 petrol engine with roughly 94,000 miles on the clock. If you've just serviced the car, as we have, and you've got a spanner light flashing, I'm going to run you through the procedure on how to reset that. All you need for this process is the trip button here and the ignition switch. I'm going to start with the ignition off, press and hold this button, turn the ignition to position 2, let go of the button, hold it down again and just wait, and it should disappear. And that's it. So if I put the ignition off and back on, the spanner light has now disappeared and reset for another 12 months.